As you can see, we're walking over there to Jay's Resort.
Yeah.
They might have updated their casino floor, but we're gonna go check it out.
They have what do you call that art? Modern art. Is that a representation of a tree?
Well, it's an ugly tree if it is.
Like a blooming flower.
Well, the good thing about that thing is at nighttime it lights up.
It does.
We're closer. Getting closer. What, this structure? I don't know. They're plastic with lights inside.
Hanna's table. What's that mean?
I don't know. Let's take a gander through Hannah's table. So the casino entrance is over there, but maybe we can go in through Hannah's table side. Hannah's table must be a restaurant.
Is it? Yes, great. It's the buffet.
Is it? Hannah's table.
Oh, never mind.
No.
Oh, it tastes so good.
They've having it close.
It's new.
No. There you go.
You're like a little wander, dude.
And next to Hannah's table is proudly serving Starbucks coffee. Hi. All right. Let's take a walk through this place. So we're going from Hannah's table. There's some slot machines I haven't seen before. Over there.
Raging Buffalo.
Yeah.
Oh, look.
What are we looking at?
My favorite.
These ones?
So I read in the comments, they said we should play, is it right here? I forgot what it's called. Money Link.
Grand Buddha Link.
Yeah. Well, that's not.
Oh, I was reading the Grand Buddha Link over there.
What is that machine called that I always play?
A slot machine.
Yes. But it's a certain one with like a Buddha.
It's called Dragon Link.
Dragon Link, yeah. It said
Yeah.
we should play that.
So this is the entrance right here from the main parking lot to the casino.
You have a card?
I don't have a card here.
You know, it's much more lively today than it used to be. It used to like
Well, maybe because it is, it looks like it's
Friday.
done with renovations.
Oh, it's true. Oh, look over there. Favorite stuff.
Oh. What is this jackpot party? I've never seen that. Jackpot party. Noah's Ark. I think it's back in the other room. We'll go over there and check it.
Sorry.
All good. Festival ground.
Good afternoon, G Resort. It is now 6 o'clock and time to call the next winner of the Easter Hidden Hopper
That's
Drawing.
why.
Our
There's a lot
next
of
winner
people.
has 2 minutes to arrive at the promotional table beside
but
guest
Easter
services
theme.
to win and claim the 150 in pre-play and so to select an Easter egg to potentially duplicate their prize. Our next winner is Mina Cluster. Mina Cluster, you have 2 minutes.
What happened to the craps table?
That is a great question.
Oh,
They take it out, huh?
yeah, it's gone.
So there's a bar right here. Craps used to be here. Wow, this is really a weird setup. I'll bet you it's probably in the other room.
Alrighty, our
Yeah.
next winner has arrived at the promotional area. We will be calling our next winner at 6:10.
Ooh.
Cedar Tower. Did we ever get the...
Well, we would have stayed here if we did.
We did.
Nope.
And we've lost here too.
Interesting. So there, right here, here's your Happy Easter. Yeah.
If she can potentially double her $150 free club.
Oh, potential.
Potentially.
So your Dragon Link is in here. So we could kind of crisscross over here, back and around to the high limit area.
Oh, there's the Dragon Link.
Yeah. We could play some games in here if you want. Make a video.
We haven't seen the table.
I don't think they have table games here.
They did. They used to.
Blackjack.
Oh.
A couple of blackjack games. Blackjack, Uno, craps.
Phoenix Lane. I've never gotten lucky with Phoenix.
Oh, that's why they took out the bubble craps machine.
Oh.
They put in this bad boy.
What is not open?
Yeah. Interblock.
What's the minimum?
It's not set up yet. Doesn't say. $5 minimum. It's pretty nice in here. So let's go to the non-smoking section.
They have a non-smoking section.
Yeah.
Afterglow Lounge.
Afterglow Lounge is the bar on the left, and then here's the non-smoking.
Thank you for
Oh. I didn't do that on purpose.
If that's what it's called, then that's what it is. Oh, they have a dance floor.
Feels good on your feet. There's your bar. Wow, so they took out their bubble craps.
No, there's no bubble craps. But they have that one.
Yeah.
But this is not open though.
No. It's not enough people, I guess.
Well, maybe these don't have a dealer because, you know.
She got the grand. Wow. What? On a $10 bet. Congratulations. Good job. Woo-hoo. Look at that. Unexpected, huh?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Congratulations.
Hey. Woo.
To see a machine actually wins like that.
On a $10 bet, of course, you got to. How many $10 bets have you lost to get that? Hotel registration. Oh, we didn't go over in the high limit area yet.
There's a high limit.
Yeah.
I'd be really happy like that too.
I think once I hit a hand pay, I'm not gonna scream or say anything. I'll just be like, cool. Wait for the day that happens. It's gonna happen. I'll be like, all right, cool.
Finally.
Yeah. Fine. So here's the high limit area. Yeah, high limit area. The top double. They got top double, top dollar. Wheel of Fortune. Pinball. Here we go. This is Dragon Cast. What is? Oh, they have J. Paul's Italian Steakhouse. Oh. So this Aspen Tower. They have 3 towers here, I guess, for your suites. J. Paul's Italian Steakhouse. Let's take a look at the menu.
Hello. Good, thank you. How are you? Yes. Yes, I know. Yes, thank you for coming. Come on, come. Yes, I'm good.
She's still screaming. She won the grand over there. That's amazing. $10 bet. You see anything in there? No? Did you want to reprint your card? I think there was a station that I saw you could reprint it right over there. If you want to play.
I don't know.
Okay. I'm gonna finish walking over here. Hotel registration is right here. Right.
Next Saturday, April 26th.
All right.
Good luck,
We are walking
everyone,
out of
and the
J
next
Resort
winner
now.
is going to be announced right now. If you hear your name, please come to the promotional area next to guest services.
Let's walk out this door. J Resort, everybody. They finally finished with their construction. There's no more
Blocked area.
no more blocked area, nothing. All their rooms are ready now. They have 3 towers.
They have
Yeah, they have 3 towers here. Yep. 3 towers. Pretty big. Hopefully we can get a room here since you lost $80. So now we're gonna walk over to
El Dorado.
El Dorado, or we're gonna drive somewhere and play some
Somewhere else.
craps.
Craps table, yeah.
We should go over to Calneva, the old school place again.
But they don't have craps there.
No, do another walking tour or something.
It's a table. They serve pretty good breakfast. Big servings.
Yep.
If you're looking for a big hearty breakfast.
There you go, everybody. Jay's Resort. Thanks for tuning in.